In our previous class, we had seen how to create a classic report. Now, if your user tells, I want the simplicity of classic report, that is, I want to just show the data available in my database objects in the simple tabular fashion in the browser, but you add the search criteria also that is out of this table. Unlike grid and the report, where user will be able to customize the look and feel of the report, user may request you to do the similar kind of search, but they should not touch or change the look and feel of the report. So the answer for this is you can make use of the regions that are based on smart filtering and faceted search. So in this class, we will learn couple of type of search regions we can build with Oracle Apex. They are faceted search and the smart filters. So we will create a faceted search on the classic report. Click on the create page. Faceted search will be supported both in the create page wizard as well as in the application create wizard as well. From the create page wizard, under the components, you have to select faceted search. And from here, we will give the name as faceted search. From the table, I will select our table, that is employees table, and click on next. Now you will be able to create the faceted search criteria based on the category. So this will be available based on the statistics of the data available in your database. As soon as the Oracle sees, based on the dictionary maintained in the metadata for the Oracle Apex, it will decide the Oracle can create the faceted search on the department, salary, manager, and the job. So I will uncheck the salary as of now and click on create page. So I should be seeing the faceted search on the 3 columns. So my page has been created successfully. Let me just preview this page by running the application. So this is the faceted search it has created. So I'm getting the classical report on the central pane over here. And on the left side, I'm getting the faceted search. You can search over the facet over here. Or if you want to just see the employees belonging to a particular category that is created based on the facet, we have selected this department number. I will check mark this and I will be seeing only those employees. Suppose I want to see how many salesmen are there. I can just check mark this and I can filter the records in the classic report. Suppose if you want to go back or clear the filter, you can just click on reset. So this is how you can create a facet or a faceted search. In order to create a new facet, click on this create facet. And from here, you can just click on the information, click on the database column. Here we have to mention the column and we can tell this as sal, that is the salary. And there is one more error, a list of value type. And from here, we can select this as distinct values. Click on save and we can click on create. Before that, we can tell what is this column is based upon, that is the salary. So this we had unchecked at the time of creating the faceted search in order to demonstrate that how we can create a facet manually. Click on this preview. Here I am seeing the faceted search based on the salary. We can give the range as well, but here I have given the distinct values. I will see how many employees are there whose salary is 1250. So I can select that salary and I can see the employees belonging for having those salary. So this is how we can create a faceted search on top of the classical report. Now one more kind of search we can add to the classic report is smart filtering. So this is similar to the smart search component, what is demonstrated by Oracle in the Redwood theme. In order to create a smart filter, click on the create page. So in the wizard, we have to select the smart filter. It's over here. So smart filter, you will be able to create using both, that is the create page wizard as well as the create application wizard. Suppose if you want to drag and drop it as a region in any of the existing place, that also you can do. Here I will name this as smart filter. And from the table, I will select the employee. Rest of the things I will keep default. Click on next. Let me uncheck this salary and keep everything over here. Based on what criteria you can create the smart filters is decided by Oracle based on the dictionary of metadata available from the sample data available in your database. So this dictionary of metadata will be created based on the statistics of data available in your database, and Oracle tells that they can create a smart filter based on the job, manager, department number, and the salary. So this is like a category. Click on create page. So our smart filter page has been created. Alternatively, if you are having any existing page, you can drag and drop the region and then you can select the type as the smart filter. That's over here. As we had demonstrated earlier, how we can create the interactive report. Similar like that, you can create the smart filters as well. Let me just preview this application. So this is how our smart filter will look like. So we can search over here based on the department, manager, and the job. So by default, it will show all the records in the classic report way. I will click on this filter criteria and it will show all the employees available in the table whose department is sales. Suppose you tell that I don't want to see department sale, I want to see some other department that is research. I will just check mark this and uncheck sales. I will see all the departments available in the research area. Suppose you tell I want to see department research and whose manager is Scott. So I will get the filter something like this. And if you want to further drill down, you can again click over here and select the job, and you can tell what job you want to filter. In this case, I'm having only one job over here, that is the clerk. I will remove one of the filter, that is a manager, and I will again select the job. Now I will see 3 jobs over here. I will tell analyst I want to see. There are 2 analysts in this data, which I'm seeing in the classic report down. Let me just go back again, and we will see how we can add a new filter which we had unchecked at the time of creating these smart filters. We have to go to the filter under the search, create the filter. Let me name this as I'm going to create this filter based on the salary. Type, I will tell I want to know the distinct values, and I have to mention the column over here, that is here, database column you have to write. In my case, it was auto-populated, that is sal. Click on save, and let me preview this application. Let me remove all the filters. Now, if you see, I'm getting this salary filter criteria. Let me just select this, and I will change. I want to know all the employee whose salary is 1,500. I will see the record of employee whose salary is 1,500. So like this, we can add the filter criteria on the classic report using faceted search and the smart filters.